All right, so my biscuits are done. I'm just gonna start making the tomato gravy. All right, so I get my skillet good and hot. And this is some bacon grease that I save all my bacon grease, y'all. If you don't save your bacon grease, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, you can, I guess, get Crisco or something. I've never bought Crisco in my entire life. So we're gonna get 5 tablespoons of this. Let's see if I can do this. 5 tablespoons of bacon grease, y'all. That was a Paula Deen. That was a Paula Deen impression right there. Is this good for your arteries? Probably not. We don't make this that often. This is like a treat, okay? So I'm not trying to kill myself, I promise. And I'm just eyeballing it, y'all, because that's how I roll. All right, here's 5. Get off there. All right, so I'm gonna melt that down. And to this, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of flour. Put my flour in there. I'm just gonna stir this around to make my roux. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of either water or milk. It's whatever you prefer. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you I'm adding milk because I got growing kids in the house and they need extra fats and calories, so they're growing like weeds, and you'd never know they eat such a high calorie diet because they're so skinny, but they just burn it off, y'all. I wish I still have that metabolism. I could just look at this and gain weight. Oh well. Alright, now I'm going to add in the tomatoes and the milk and just keep stirring it. Get my tomatoes. Mary has just joined me and she's watching. She wants to be a little chef. She's the only one of my children that consistently watches every time I cook. Isn't that right, Mary? So, and I've got this on, you know, between 6 and 7. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to keep stirring this, scraping the bottom until it cooks a little bit more and gets thicker, like a gravy consistency. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so this is a 14.5 ounce can of chopped tomatoes, or petite diced tomatoes, sorry. Normally I would use my tomatoes, but all of my canning that I did, I made sauces with them. I didn't have any chunks in there, so. You can use just 2 cups of chopped tomatoes with their juice in there, or you can just get a 14.5 ounce can of chopped tomatoes. And again, this is the petite dice. I think it's the Italian style. To this, I'll add just a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder to it. Alright, so here it is. It's got that thick gravy consistency. Now, this is more of a, it's not like red like tomatoes. If I had used water, it would have been really red, but because I used milk, it makes it more of a creamy like gravy, cream colored. So that's what you're looking for, and then you keep it on really low. Serve immediately, you know, you don't want to just let it sit here. So I'm going to turn that heat down to low and get my plate served up, y'all. Got me a hot cup of black coffee going over there. Get my biscuits, my cream biscuits, split open. Get me some of that delicious tomato gravy. Sam's out hunting, so when he gets back, he's gonna have a nice treat. He loves tomato gravy. All right, it's that simple, y'all. So let me give it a taste. Y'all, it's really so good. I think I may add just a touch more salt. I'm telling you, if y'all have never tried this, you need to give it a try, seriously. And I know it's not the healthiest, but you know, it's a good to have a special treat now and then. So, you know, maybe once a month, maybe some biscuits and tomato gravy, and enjoy. All right, y'all have a beautiful day.